The lower window of a house is at a height of 2 meters above the ground, and its upper window is 4 meters vertically above the lower window, and its upper window is 4 meters vertically above the lower window. Okay. At certain instance, the angle of elevation of a balloon from these windows are observed to be 60 and 30 respectively. Find the height of the balloon above the ground. Okay. So what is the funda over here? You have to strictly follow this. You should draw the surrounding, that is structure and everything. That should make sense. Find the point of observation and the point on the object being observed. Join the points. This is the initial thing that we have to do. So here we can draw a ground. Not required, but still we'll draw. No, we need it. Without ground, how will you measure? Right? Reference point. Say this is the tower. There's a balloon somewhere over here, is it not? Because at certain instance, the angle of elevation of the balloon. So both are looking top, is it not? Okay, so we have the first window. So this is the point of observation, and 4 meters above, there's another point of observation. The thing being observed is somewhere over here. Okay, so we have the horizontal line and another horizontal line, and then we have the angle of elevation and the angle of elevation, right? So next is the measurement. We need to write the measurement. This is 2 meters and this happens to be 4 meters. This angle will be 60 and this will be 30, is it? This is, okay, wait, this is 30 degree. Is this correct? No, right? This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. It should make sense. Again, draw the diagrams and it should make sense. Okay. And what else? Let's read the question again. The lower window of the house. This is our lower window. Okay, guys. So let me label it so that it's easy to have the conversation. So this is O, A and B. A is the lower window. It is 2 meters above the ground. And the upper window is 4 meters vertically above the lower window. From lower window, it is 4 meters. So that sense should be there, that what we are measuring, what we are marking should match the question. At certain instance, so on and so forth, 30 and 60, find the height of the balloon from the ground. So this entire height is what we have to find. Not a good straight line. Okay, that's better. This is 90. This is 90. Then we have Mn and say this is P. Okay, so this length we already know. This length also we already know. We just have to find Pn. How will we find Pn? So this will take it as X. Okay, guys. So your answer is starting from here. And let's move on to the working. Okay. How is that we have to do this? Well, we kind of have one unknown, but there's nothing that we can use to find an equation wherein we can solve it and get it. So we have to make use of Am, which is also equal to Bn, that is y. So basically now we have two unknowns. So two unknowns needs how many equations? Yes, we need two equations. So two unknowns need two equations, and solving that will give us the answer. Okay, guys. So let's start off with calling let Pn be equal to X, then Am be equal to Y, thus Bn is equal to Y, because all these are parallel and the lengths by default are equal, you know. And so what do we have? We'll start off with in triangle PAM. PAM. So what is that we are looking at? We are looking at tan of 60 degree, which is opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degree is root of 3. So opposite is x plus 4 and adjacent is y. So we can rearrange and all of that. We want x value, so we will rearrange so that we get an expression for y. I'll explain why is that we need expression for y. See, the point is, from the other equation, we'll get a relationship between x and y, and over there if I substitute for y, and we'll get to solve for x. So if you didn't understand that, don't worry, I'll be showing it now. In triangle PBN, what do we have? We have tan of 30 degree, which is equal to x by y. Tan 30 is root of 3, sorry, 1 by root 3. And y is x plus 4 by root 3. Okay, this is from 1. And now we have to solve this and we are done. That's it. Okay, guys, almost done. So 1 by root of 3 is equal to x into root of 3 divided by x plus 4. So we need to cross multiply and things. So we have x plus 4 is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. And we have x over here. So this will be x is equal to 2 meters. Again, I did a bit of mental calculation. So please see to that you guys learn such things, you know. We found x and now the total height. The height of the balloon, I guess. Or what is it? Balloon only, no? Kite. No, balloon. Balloon from the ground, right? Wait, find the height of the, okay, from the ground. From the ground is 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 8 meters. Okay, that's it.